She's off and ready to eat. And we're pretty friggin' excited. Pulled ham. First bite.
Yeah. Insane.
Holy crap. By the way, you're about to see me at 4 in the morning in the intro of this video. And I look like a meth addict. And I'm sorry. I was just really, really tired. It's a glorious 4 a.m. here, Christmas Eve in California. And what better to do than wake up this early so you can try something new that you found online. We're gonna smoke this ham and we're gonna make pulled ham. I found this recipe, tons of people are swearing about it. We thought we would test it out, bring it to a Christmas Eve party today. It's pretty simple, just takes forever and a day to smoke. This is a whole bone-in ham, not spiral. That's like the most important thing. And they swear that you can get an already cured and smoked ham and do this. So, pretty simple. We just start by scoring it crossways all the way around the ham, which is gonna take me a minute here.
Is the scoring for what reason?
I don't know.
Seasoning,
that's just what
maybe?
they said. I think it's to make it, to help penetrate, I think, the outside of it. But then also, I think, like, you know how you look at those hams that are roasted and they have like that crosshatch pattern that opens up on them? I think it helps it do that too.
Okay.
I don't know. It's 4 a.m.
I know.
I just want to go back to sleep. That's what I know.
Again, yeah. The recipe we saw, you guys looked amazing.
Let me finish this up and I'll talk about the rub in a sec. Okay, we're all scored up and we're ready to rub it really quick. What I went with to give it my own flair is I had this black cherry chipotle that I was pretty excited about using. I had a bit of applewood rub left by Grill Mates. I usually keep one of these around, and brown sugar. Equal parts. I combined them and I just threw them back in here. Oh. So I'm gonna cover this bad boy really quick. You can watch me, see how fun.
Yes, this is very entertaining.
So this is gonna go on the smoker, 225 degrees for about 8 hours. I'm gonna probe it and hopefully we're gonna hit an internal temp of 160-ish, 165, just anything close. And then at which point we're gonna come in and get to the next steps, which are basically a nice glaze and wrapping, covering in foil, throwing it back on, trying to get to, I've heard different things. So some people are saying 200 degrees, some are saying 205. I saw somebody even take it up to 210. So basically until it's really probe tender. And then at that point, what we should have is something that is very similar in consistency to pulled pork, texture of pulled pork, which it is technically pulled pork, but with that like nice salty flavor and the moistness of ham.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just about done and we're gonna throw it on. Nobody needs to see me at 4 a.m. putting this on my smoker. I promise you that's the plan though, and I will put a probe in it. I'm gonna go back to sleep as soon as this sucker's on.
Yep.
All right, let's take a look at this biatch. You know I haven't looked.
You're not supposed to.
I know that.
Okay, go.
You wanna get mouthy on
You know what?
Christmas Eve?
Hurry up. Grinch.
You ever seen the back of my hand? Oh, holy night.
Oh, man.
What do you think? It's ready to come off. The probes are reading, one of them is in the high 160s, the other one is like 158.
I'm going to say that pan I think I'll just throw away, but wow, look at that.
Pans are a dime a dozen.
Look.
Okay, we pulled the bad girl off. Not gonna lie, we might have snacked on it. It's really good. So now my nerves are elevated because I'm like, I could eat this shit right now and be happy.
It's so good.
But what do we want to do? We want the pull.
Yep.
So first I'm gonna pour in some of this juice. You know what it's gonna do? It's gonna run down the side of the can and spill all
That's
over.
okay. That's okay. I have to mop the floor
Oh, wait.
anyways.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, so you pour it straight in there.
Yep. That seems like good.
Okay.
That's just pineapple. And then, our glaze is pretty much the whole container of Sweet Baby hickory brown sugar
Okay.
and a half of this container of apricot preserve.
deserve.
which we cooked up on the stove.
Let's
We're
see.
gonna pour this over the top.
Oh, nice.
Wrap it up tight like a Christmas present. In fact, this is your Christmas present. It's the only thing I got you this year.
That's all right. Oh, look how beautiful that looks.
And then she's going back on the grill until the probe's at around 200, 205.
Oh my heck.
Bingo.
All right, it's out.
Here she is. We put a little bark on her. Let me get some of these bones out of here. Look at
Oh
that.
my gosh.
Came out. That one didn't come out as clean. Pretty clean though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I tried that sauce.
It's hotter than a mother right now.
Yeah, but we gotta get going, huh?
Yeah. Let's figure
All
out
right.
how it pulls.
Claude.
I want to take the gloves off, but good lord.
Oh. Look at that. So our assignment was rolls, which we made. They're delicious. So Jeff wanted to go the extra mile and make something new. So here is the final smoked ham. Okay, ready? Look at this.
Pulled me, dog.
Pulled ham. Oh my gosh, it's fucking insane.